In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can manage your hotel orders. So once you have some new orders, let me show you how you can manage it. So once you have new bookings, click on all orders. Here you will see all the orders that you have got. For now, example, I have only one order which is created by me myself. Okay, so how to manage it? Click on view. Now, if you want to change the status, for example, this payment is a payment on arrival, which means it's an offline payment. So if you want to change the status, click on it and then you can change it to complete. Once the person who comes to a hotel and pays you manually, you can change it to completed and update the record. Once you have updated the record, you will see that the status have been changed from pending to completed. There are other status like pending also and pending payment. Okay, so this was a booking which was created within the website by the customer. Now if you want to create an order from this website, so you can create by click on new order. Now you will find your room. Now you have to select the date like 2019 slash 0424 and update from date to 27. Now how much guests are coming and what's the final price. You can add any type of price that you want manually. Then you will need to enter them all the details of the customer and then add some extras what they have opted in. And then if you know their arrival time, you can simply select it and change the status from completed if the person have completed the payment, or you can keep it pending payment. And then you can use the payment method like bank transfer, payment on arrival, anything. And then click on check availability and add reservation. Once it's done, you will see order added. And now let's check all orders. We'll see that a new order has been added. Okay, thank you so much. So this is the way by which you can manage your hotel orders and you can manage your restaurant orders on WooCommerce orders. You can also filter your orders by pending, payment pending and completed. All the completed orders will be visible here.